Today, we're diving into groundbreaking research that's shaking up the medical world. OpenAI's newest model, known as o1 Preview, has not only proven itself in diagnosing complex medical conditions, but has even surpassed human doctors in specific tests. You heard that right. This AI is setting new benchmarks in medicine and could revolutionize how we think about healthcare. What does this mean for the future of AI in medicine? Let's break it down. In this video, we'll explore 5 key themes: the study that tested o1 Preview, how it outperformed both GPT-4 and doctors, its remarkable diagnostic capabilities, the implications for the future of healthcare, and the challenges ahead. Let's dive in. The study we're discussing today isn't just any research. It's a meticulous analysis that puts o1 Preview through its paces. Researchers rigorously evaluated this model against human doctors and earlier AI systems, like GPT-4, using real-world medical cases sourced from the prestigious New England Journal of Medicine. As noted in the research, these cases were carefully selected to represent diagnostic challenges that are clinically significant and educationally valuable. These are the kinds of cases that stump even seasoned professionals. The goal, to see how well o1 Preview could think and reason like a doctor. This wasn't about regurgitating information, but about applying complex, multi-step reasoning to diagnose and suggest treatments. As the study highlights, o1 Preview demonstrated diagnostic accuracy surpassing that of physicians in many instances, showcasing its ability to reason through layers of uncertainty and complexity. And let me tell you, the results were nothing short of remarkable. Now let's talk about how o1 Preview compared to its predecessor, GPT-4, and even human doctors. The researchers presented 3 especially challenging cases to both AI models and human doctors. These cases weren't just complex, they were designed to test reasoning, adaptability, and diagnostic accuracy under real-world conditions. Performance was measured using something called a bond score. This scale, ranging from 0 to 5, evaluates how close a model gets to the correct answer. A score of 0 indicates a completely incorrect response, while a 5 represents a perfect match. This system provides a clear, objective way to compare diagnostic performance across AI models and human physicians. Here's how the models performed. Case 1. GPT-4 completely missed the mark, scoring a bond score of 0. Meanwhile, o1 Preview nailed the diagnosis, achieving a perfect bond score of 5. According to the researchers, o1 Preview demonstrated a sophisticated approach to reasoning, integrating symptoms and test results to provide a differential diagnosis that aligned with expert consensus. Case 2. Once again, GPT-4 faltered, guessing common conditions instead of the rare disorder at hand, scoring a bond score of 1. In contrast, o1 Preview was spot on, earning another perfect 5. The study emphasized that while GPT-4 showed general knowledge, it lacked the diagnostic depth required for rare and multi-systemic disorders, where o1 Preview excelled. Case 3. GPT-4 managed to get closer this time, scoring a bond score of 3, but o1 Preview still outperformed, delivering an exact diagnosis with a bond score of 5. For example, when dealing with a rare autoimmune condition, researchers noted o1 Preview's reasoning process was remarkably aligned with expert clinicians, demonstrating a unique ability to parse complex case histories. In all 3 cases, o1 Preview consistently achieved perfect scores of 5, showcasing its ability to tackle even the most intricate medical mysteries. What's striking here is that o1 Preview didn't just get lucky, it excelled at recognizing rare conditions that GPT-4 couldn't identify. As the study summarized, the performance gap between o1 Preview and GPT-4 underscores the advancements in reasoning and diagnostic precision achieved with this latest model. This highlights how each new generation of AI models becomes significantly better at handling nuanced and complex scenarios. The researchers didn't stop at comparing o1 Preview to GPT-4. They also evaluated its performance against human doctors, leveraging diagnostic test data spanning from 2012 to 2020. These tests included some of the most challenging and instructive cases in modern medicine. Here's the big takeaway. While human clinicians traditionally scored around 30% on these tests, modern AI systems have made significant strides. GPT-4 improved the benchmark, achieving 50%, but o1 Preview raised the bar even higher, scoring an impressive over 75%. This marked a seismic shift in how AI systems perform relative to seasoned medical professionals. One particularly striking observation from the study was, O1 Preview demonstrated a diagnostic accuracy that surpassed most experienced physicians, particularly in complex and rare cases, establishing its capability to handle nuanced scenarios with unprecedented precision. These landmark cases weren't ordinary diagnostic challenges. They represent pivotal moments in medical education, cases that taught doctors entirely new ways to approach clinical reasoning. Yet, O1 Preview not only tackled these puzzles with ease, but frequently delivered diagnoses and treatments that either matched or exceeded the performance of expert physicians. The researchers noted, the AI's step-by-step reasoning and comprehensive differential diagnosis were indistinguishable from those of top clinicians. This isn't just an incremental improvement, it's a paradigm shift. O1 Preview's ability to outperform human doctors in specific scenarios shows how AI is moving beyond being a mere tool to becoming a collaborative partner in healthcare. What makes O1 Preview so effective? The secret lies in its advanced reasoning capabilities. Unlike traditional diagnostic tools, which require doctors to manually input symptoms and interpret patterns, O1 Preview processes information holistically. It doesn't just identify potential matches, it constructs a step-by-step diagnostic plan that mirrors how a seasoned doctor would approach complex cases. The researchers noted, O1 Preview not only generates a differential diagnosis, but provides a rationale for each possibility, including recommended next steps to refine or confirm the diagnosis. This mirrors the clinical reasoning process of human experts. For example, in one challenging case, O1 Preview didn't stop at suggesting a diagnosis. It outlined a sequence of necessary tests, provided contingency plans, and even explained why each action was critical. This level of detail demonstrates that O1 Preview isn't just catching up to human doctors. It's beginning to surpass them in specific, high-stakes scenarios, where accuracy and reliability are paramount. Moreover, O1 Preview's handling of can't-miss diagnoses, life-threatening conditions that demand immediate and precise recognition, is particularly noteworthy. In these scenarios, the model consistently outperformed even the most experienced human physicians. As the study highlighted, for critical conditions, O1 Preview exhibited a level of diagnostic consistency and accuracy that is unmatched in both human and AI evaluations. This isn't just impressive, it's transformative. It underscores how AI is evolving from a supplementary tool to a trusted collaborator in addressing the most complex and urgent challenges in modern medicine. Diagnosis is only one piece of the puzzle. The real test of any medical professional or AI system is how effectively they manage a case from start to finish. This includes selecting the right diagnostic test, interpreting results accurately, and crafting a comprehensive treatment plan. In this area, O1 Preview excelled. For example, in a particularly complex case, the AI's proposed diagnostic and management plan aligned closely with that of expert physicians. As the study noted, O1 Preview not only identified the correct diagnosis, but also outlined a management strategy, including contingency plans and alternative diagnostic pathways, ensuring all bases were covered. This highlights a level of foresight and adaptability rarely seen in AI systems. Such capabilities are crucial in medicine, where every decision can mean the difference between life and death. What's particularly remarkable is O1 Preview's ability to handle this complexity with multimodal reasoning. Unlike traditional tools that often focus on a single pathway, O1 Preview evaluates multiple possibilities simultaneously, weighing risk and benefits in real time. The researchers describe this as akin to having an entire multidisciplinary team of specialists synthesized into a single system. Traditional medical resources often restrict doctors to predefined algorithms or single-track reasoning. By contrast, O1 Preview's multimodal approach enables it to consider a range of diagnostic and treatment possibilities, leading to more comprehensive and nuanced solutions. It's not just a tool, it's a strategic partner capable of supporting the most intricate and dynamic aspects of patient care. What does all this mean for the future of medicine? The potential applications are nothing short of transformative. Picture AI systems assisting doctors in diagnosing rare conditions reducing diagnostic errors, and even providing second opinions in real time. As highlighted in the study, AI systems like O1 Preview could significantly augment clinical decision-making, particularly in resource-limited settings where access to specialists is constrained. This capability has the potential to make healthcare faster, more accurate, and more accessible on a global scale. However, with such transformative power comes immense responsibility. One major concern is over-reliance. If medical professionals begin leaning too heavily on AI, there's a real risk of complacency. As the authors warn, AI should complement, not replace, human judgment, as overdependence could lead to gaps in critical thinking during unexpected scenarios. Additionally, the issue of hallucinations, where AI generates incorrect or nonsensical answers, remains a significant challenge. In the high-stakes world of medicine, even a minor error could have catastrophic consequences for patients. Ethical questions also loom large. Who is accountable when an AI makes a mistake? Should responsibility fall on the developers, the healthcare providers, or the institutions deploying the technology? Moreover, how do we ensure these systems are implemented equitably? The authors emphasize the need for robust frameworks to govern AI deployment in medicine, ensuring fairness and mitigating disparities in access. Without careful oversight, there's a real danger of widening the gap between those who can afford advanced healthcare and those who cannot. These challenges aren't insurmountable, but they do require a concerted effort from the medical community, AI developers, and policymakers. As we move forward, the focus must remain on creating systems that enhance human capability while maintaining the ethical and equitable standards that healthcare demands. Another exciting possibility is using AI like O1 Preview as a teaching tool. Imagine medical students learning from an AI that can analyze cases, suggest diagnoses, and explain its reasoning step by step. This could revolutionize medical education by providing students with a resource that's always up to date with the latest research and best practices. As noted in the study, AI systems like O1 Preview can serve as interactive educational platforms, bridging the gap between theoretical knowledge and clinical application. In fact, some experts are already exploring how AI can complement traditional training methods. Dr. Arjun Manrai, a prominent researcher in medical education, commented, "The ability to simulate complex cases and offer detailed, real-time feedback makes AI a game-changer for medical training. It equips students to approach diagnostics with a depth and precision that's difficult to achieve through conventional methods alone. By simulating complex, real-world scenarios and providing instant feedback, tools like O1 Preview could help the next generation of doctors become more skilled and confident in their decision-making." The researchers highlighted how AI-assisted training could enhance diagnostic accuracy among trainees by exposing them to rare and challenging cases that might not occur during routine clinical practice. This isn't just about improving individual learning, it's about elevating the standard of medical education as a whole. With AI systems like O1 Preview, future doctors could be better prepared to handle the complexities and uncertainties of modern medicine. As incredible as O1 Preview is, it's important to remember that this is just the beginning. OpenAI's roadmap includes even more advanced models, such as Airo 3, which promises to be smarter, faster, and more versatile. Sam Altman, OpenAI's CEO, hinted at the future potential, stating, "What we've achieved with O1 Preview is only the foundation. Each new iteration will push the boundaries of what AI can do in medicine and beyond." If O1 Preview is already outperforming doctors in certain areas, imagine what future iterations could achieve. Models like O3 could expand beyond diagnostics to integrate treatment planning, patient monitoring, and even personalized medicine on a global scale. That said, implementing AI in real-world healthcare settings won't be easy. Regulatory hurdles, data privacy concerns, and resistance to change are just a few of the obstacles ahead. Dr. Fei Li, an AI ethics expert, emphasized, bringing AI into clinical practice requires not only technological breakthroughs, but also robust frameworks to address safety, accountability, and trust. These challenges are significant, but they're not insurmountable. As the study noted, careful collaboration between AI developers, medical professionals, and policymakers is essential to ensure that these systems are both effective and equitable. If these hurdles can be overcome, the benefits could be transformative, revolutionizing healthcare and enhancing the quality of life for millions worldwide. So, what's the verdict? OpenAI's O1 preview is a glimpse into the future of medicine, one where AI doesn't just assist doctors, but works alongside them as a trusted partner. Its ability to diagnose, plan, and manage complex cases with such accuracy is a testament to how far AI has come. But as we look ahead, it's clear that this is just the tip of the iceberg. The next 5 years will likely bring even more groundbreaking advancements, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in AI and healthcare. The question is, are we ready to embrace it? What do you think? Would you trust an AI like O1 Preview with your healthcare? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.